afternoon. As you can see, it looks like it's about to rain here. So what I decided to do was I'm going to go ahead, even though I hadn't even had any problems with my leveling being off, I just don't like the fact that it's way higher over there than it is on this side. So I am running a water hose now down from the, you can't see it, down there underneath, and then I'm running it out to the street. And it's slow going, but we'll see how long it takes to drain the pool. And what I'm going to do is to fix it right. I have so many trees over here and so many issues. We're actually going to think about getting about, let me get about 6 tons of dirt, and we're going to put it all on this side over here. We have one tree. Trim those leaves, trim those branches right there, and but fix the dirt and make it good and level. And then I'm gonna use these stepping stones, probably underneath each of the poles, and get a good flat surface and do it right. So it's all about learning, and we'll go from there. And it'll take several weeks, I'm sure, because I have to work a lot. I usually work about 6 hours a week, plus it's supposed to be raining like continuously for days and days. So I'll be doing all this in between, but we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you updated through this video, and I'll probably put a video all together once I'm done to show the whole process. Thanks for watching. All right, several hours later, and I have actually hooked up the hose down right there, and it runs out to my street. That way it's going down the gutter. But so far it's very, very slow. But the pool is slowly but surely going out. So it may take a day or two for all the water to get out and get down, but keep working on it, and we'll see. We'll get it all done and cleaned up, and then again, we'll go back over to where we're probably gonna move the pool. Gotta get a lot of dirt in, but we're gonna put all the dirt over here and put the pool there. So again, a lot of work good to do, but we'll get it done. Ooh, it's a hot morning this morning. We're out here, myself and Ghost, and we are pulling up these roots where they were growing from this tree right here. They come up and they come up out of the ground, so we're cutting them and trimming them back. That way we can add dirt in here to make this flat and level. Ghost wants to keep helping me dig, so good times. You see the little holes where we popped up roots. Cut them and pop them up. That tree had a lot of roots, so we'll get them all popped up so we can get this area good and flat for the pool. And we're gonna move over here, and we'll fill in those little potholes here and here where dogs like to dig. And we'll fix this up. We'll probably put the pump right over here. A little ladder, stairs that I have over there, I'll move. Still waiting for the pool to drain completely. And Axel's chilling over there, waiting. All right, good Sunday morning. I've already been out here just getting some stuff ready to start bringing the dirt in, but can't really tell here in the sun. But over here, if you look, I made a black line all the way around over here. So that's I actually did a 19 feet. So a foot longer than the pool. The pool's 18 feet round. This is 19 feet round. Took out those steps right there. Actually over here, I'm gonna re-put them on this side to come off the deck that way. And then I've got my board out here so that I can start leveling once I bring the dirt. So if I take it off, can't see it, but down there is our gate. I'm gonna get it open, get the wheelbarrow, and start bringing the dirt in. All right, I'm gonna level it up. All right, we got this part leveled out. So So we took that tool, 2x4 with the level on it, and just pushed it around until we got it all level here. So now I'm just finishing cleaning up the other pool. I trimmed some tree limbs and just waiting for this one to completely drain now, and then we'll start building it, putting it over here. Alrighty, hello peeps. So you can see the pool was back there, and now it's over here, and it's a lot more level, and I'm starting to put water in it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm using these little pavers here as it starts, sinking in a little bit. I want to have some adjustability. Right now they don't stay on under very well because it's just there's no weight on them. But once the water starts filling, I'll keep moving them, moving the legs, making sure the legs are level and straight, and we'll go from there and get it fixed up. Thanks for watching. Alrighty, good evening. So I got home and finished cleaning the top of the pool. As you can see now, we got it pretty level. It's still off about an inch, maybe an inch and a half, but that's not bad compared to what it was, and the fact that the slope is like the windows are all getting covered. I just now turned the pump on so I can start. I cleaned the top of the water off and got it all set. So now our pool is right over here instead of back there. You can see the circle where it was. I'll redo the grass back that way, and we'll see how we like it over here. And it's right here by our back door where the dogs all hang out and fight. And so it'll be a good time. It'll be close by. So got the water hose in, put a little more in, the water in, and it's looking pretty good. So hopefully by today's Wednesday, I'm off Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so we'll do some swimming in the pool and relaxing in the pool. It's supposed to be 96 degrees Saturday here. It's 92 today, so it's pretty warm. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.